सब्सक्राइब करें हमारी चैनल को और ऐसे ही मोर वीडियोस की अपडेट के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलें।
I cannot believe you're here. I'm actually really happy to see you.
Yeah, I told you I wasn't going anywhere.
The vents are right on the other side. We have to get past this truck. It's the only way.
Hang on, Trip. You're not seeing what I'm seeing here.
No, I got it right here. I know what we're in for.
I seriously hope you're not thinking about jumping off a mountain.
As the only scientist here, I don't think they can do that.
We don't have a choice.
I hope you know what you're doing, Trip.
Rick, give us something to jump.
Yeah, okay.
Trip, there's a 99% chance that would be impossible.
Maybe 100.
You be careful, son.
Rick, I'm sorry I said all those terrible things about you.
Wait, what?
Let's go!